Good evening, one and all. Here, today, we are going to see a chapter that is an important chapter which we call time and distance. Time and distance. So, here, first we have to know how to solve a problem. So, here, we are going to know how to solve any problem. Okay, so there will be a small formula. So, what is the formula here? We have to know. So, firstly, we know that time and distance. So, here we know that time and distance. Let's start from the first one, time. So, here we have to find time. Time if distance and speed of vehicle or train given. Commonly this will be asked for trains. Mostly we will get these questions from trains. So here, find time if distance and speed given. So we have to find distance if time and speed given, and we have to find speed if distance and time given. So here, how to find the time or distance or speed? So we know that firstly we have to find time. So how do we find a time? Time. We can find a time by knowing how much distance has been covered with some particular speed. So distance by speed. Some distance covered in particular time is speed. So here time, and next distance. So here distance, how do we find the distance? So with the sum of the speed in particular time is nothing but distance. Sum of the speed into time. Speed into time is nothing but distance. So here what is left? Speed is nothing but distance covered in particular time is nothing but speed. Distance covered by time. Distance covered by time is nothing but the formula of speed. So here we have to just know what is what. So time, how do we find the time? Distance covered in particular speed is nothing but time. We get time. Example, covered 20 km with the speed of 10 per hour. Km per hour is nothing but time taken will be 2 hours. So this is the example of time. So how do we get distance? Same distance. So speed 10 kilometers per hour kmph, 10 kilometers per hour into what we are calling distance. So here distance into 2 is equal to 20 kilometers. What is this? Hours. Time. Same here. Same here. Speed. Speed. Speed is nothing but distance covered by time is nothing but 10. Okay. So this is how we find the distance, time and distance, time and speed of a particular train or vehicle or any person. It may be of person who is walking, and we can find a person. There are different type of questions like like what it may be asked as distance covered by a man on foot. On foot in the sense walking, by walking. Distance covered by a vehicle or train. Okay. So here now, basing on this, we have to find questions. Okay friends, I hope everyone understand. And here, for better understanding, we can have some examples here. Okay. So check my next video for the questions and explanation of them for better understanding.